All right, I just wanted to show you how you can check the feedback that I'm giving you on quizzes and stuff. So, so this is just a test student, but if you go to grades, if you go to the grade book, and usually when I've graded something, there will be a little symbol here that tells you that I've graded something, like it'll say a 1 with a little blue circle around it. But I've already checked on this grade, and so that's why it's not showing up here. But anyway, and by the way, this is for my trig class this semester, but the same thing goes for like my stats classes or my calculus class, right? You would do this the same way. So you go to grades, and then you can look at the assignment that I've graded, and if it has a little symbol like this, then that means I've left a comment. And so you can click on that and you can see the comment. And so the comment I left myself on this particular assignment was, "You're an idiot." I would never leave you guys such a mean comment like that, unless I was really, really grumpy or I had a really good reason to. But anyway, so you can check the comment that way. But the other thing that you can and should do is you should actually click on the quiz, because when I'm grading these things, oftentimes I will write on the quiz itself. And so to see what I've written on your quiz, so like obviously you can see the comments over here, and you can comment back like, "Oh, you're an idiot too," or something. I don't know. Or "I hate you." Please don't send me hate messages. But anyway, but you can kind of respond back that way. But if you want to view what I've actually written on the quiz itself, then you click on this little button that says Review Feedback. And then you can see what I've written on your quiz. So in this case, I wrote wrong quiz because this was not the correct quiz, which is probably why I commented, "You're an idiot," right? Because this is not even the correct quiz. Anyway, if you want to see your original submission, then you click on this button right here, and that'll show what you originally submitted. But if you want to see what I've written on what you've submitted, then you click on the view feedback thing. The other thing that I want to show you is that I've posted solutions to your quiz. So if you go back to modules and you click on the quiz itself, the assignment itself, then down at the bottom of the assignment instructions, I have solutions. So you can check these to kind of see what the correct answers should be, right? So I have the correct solution. And actually, I made a mistake at first when I was doing part 2, number A, in my trig class. But anyway, so you can check the solutions that way as well. And I'll do this for every single quiz, okay? So I'll post solutions at the bottom of the instruction page for the quizzes, and then also on in the grade book itself, if there's some kind of comment that needs to be made, then I'll make a comment on your quiz there. Now, if you got a perfect score on the quiz, then it's possible that you might not have any comments and you might not have any written feedback on the quiz itself. On the other hand, even if you did get a perfect score, you should still check to see if I wrote anything, if I left any comments, or if I wrote anything on your quiz, because even if you got 10 out of 10, there may have been some little thing that you did wrong that I would like for you to not do in the future, but it wasn't a big enough deal for me to take off any points or anything like that. So anyway, the moral of the story is just check. Once I've graded your quiz, come and check to see if I've written anything in the comments or if I've made any annotations on your quiz, on the quiz itself. So that's all I have to say about that. We'll see you later.